Welcome to the 37th lesson of SmartKnitter, Knit Specification Level 2. In this lesson, the main focus is on maintaining consistency in garment shape before and after rotation. Before rotation, you can add relevant nodes at the armhole and neckline and then set the appropriate proportional dimensions. Right-click on the relevant dimensions and use them as proportional dimensions. After setting the proportional dimensions, proceed with the rotation. This way, the garment shape will remain consistent before and after rotation. This marks the end of this class. Thank you for watching.